Another pension fund destroying your pension is St. James's Place Global Absolute Return. You'd think with a word like global absolute return, you would be safe. Not so. Let's look at its performance over the last 5 years. So we've given it ample time to prove itself. That's the global absolute return one in that sort of, I guess you'd call it teal color, basically 0% after 5 years. Now we've had some of the biggest stock market rallies. Global presumably would include something out of the US, whereas the benchmark, which is LF unclassified, but anyway, ignore the benchmark. Just think about the fact that the NASDAQ was up, 30% in 2024, was up 55% in 2023. Those 2 years alone would make you think 0% is a bit meager. If you got 0%, you got less than bank interest with that. Look, the reason I keep mentioning this and bang on about it is because I have a campaign. I have a campaign to teach 1 million people for free how to become better investors. Have a look at my campaign for 1million.com. If I can teach 1 million people using my education from my books, which I give you for free, my videos, which I give you for free, and updates on Telegram, which I give you for free, if they, through that education, can add an extra 1 million to their portfolios across their lifetimes, then 1 million times 1 million is a trillion. That's pretty good impact. It's a pretty good legacy for a hedge fund manager such as myself to leave the world with. Okay, so I hope you will have a look at the campaign for 1million.com, especially if you're with St. James's Place, and especially if you thought global absolute return meant either that you were diversified, that you were generating absolute returns, that means positive regardless of market direction, or that your pension was growing. I'm afraid bad news for you. Thank you. And sorry.